Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I decided to do a look today with the Crown palette that we got in, I believe it was last month's BoxyCharm. Yeah, but real quick, strange thing, I got another BoxyCharm in the mail day before yesterday. I think that is because when my BoxyCharm, I saw the tracking that it was being sent back due to like address issue. I contacted them and told them, and then they saw the tracking themselves, and they said, okay, we're going to send you out another one. And I just thought the other one, I don't know, was going to be sent back, and that's it. But I guess it found its way here, and I got that one, and then they sent me this one. So I got basically the same stuff. These lashes were in the old one, but in the one I just got, I got these. So there is a difference. That's probably why the prices vary. You see? So I thought that was pretty cool. I got the same chocolate gel from Bang Beauty. I got 3 more masks, the gold eye masks. And I got another Laura Lee palette, which I would have gave to Samantha if she didn't have BoxyCharm, but she just got her first one, you know, this month, so she already has this. And I got the Adesi stuff here, cuticles, nails, whatever it was. So I got another one of those. And I got this lipstick instead of that orangey one that I told you. I gave that to Samantha because I didn't like it. So I got this one and got a light, and I like it because it's not a stick, it's an actual, you know, lipstick. You know, see, I like these kind better with the applicator. I don't know, that's my thing now. I don't like those roll-up stick things no more. So yeah, so that worked out good, huh? So I got 6 of these things. So I'm gonna try them now. I got 6, so why not? Alright, so enough of that. As you can see, it's raining here, so I figured I would, I don't know, do it out here. It's what my cat likes to sit on the shelf. Her mother was up there with her, but now she's down here on the floor. Yeah, so that's Maui. She's little. Alrighty, let's do this now that I made a mess. So yeah, I figured you'd like this like rain look. I don't know. In the background? What do you think? I don't know if I could do this out here. The lighting is kind of dull, like, you know what I mean? So let's see. Alright, enough yapping. So first I'm going to put on this It Cosmetics Bye Bye Eye Cream. I love It Cosmetics. Thanks to my friend Lynn here on YouTube. She sent me a package with a lot of It Cosmetics, and the stuff is amazing. Would you believe I still have a Sephora gift card for $100 I didn't use yet? It was like from Mother's Day. I had another one too, for my birthday, so I used one. That one was for $100, so I bought this, and I don't even remember some other stuff. Oh, their foundation. I love their foundation. Yeah, so ever since she sent it to me, I was just like, oh my god, this stuff is amazing. Okay, so we did that. Now I'm going to use the It Confidence in a Cream. Everywhere. I used to have the tool. It's like a stick with a little spatula on the end. I gotta find another one. Mine broke. I don't know, I'm hoping you guys can see this. It's gonna be a long video. It always is when I do makeup looks. Right, Maui? Alrighty. Now I'm going to use this Cover FX blurring primer. I got this in BoxyCharm too. I don't remember when. But okay. I basically just put that like here, across here, at my nose, and then on my forehead. And a little down here. Blend it out a little bit. And just spread it out. A little goes a long way, so yeah. I don't know what look I'm doing, and I'm not rushing. I don't care. I'm not on here as much as I used to be. And I picked this up the other day. Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation in 04, which I believe there was a color on here, medium beige. And I'm really liking this. It was $10 though, but I like it. Covers like my imperfections, because I have like, I don't know, freckles that gather up and give me like brown patches that mostly come out in the summer, which is very annoying because they're dark and hard to cover. And I just blend it out with a beauty blender. Yeah, you know me, I never know where to put the damn mirror. So yeah. I put it everywhere, you know, like on my ears, because you don't want your ears to be a different color than your face, because then you look dumb, you know. Yeah, it's hard to see out here. I need a little bit more light, but I could probably put the light on for the porch, but I don't know if that'll make it orangey looking. I don't know. Oh, look at her. Mouse, what are you doing? What are you doing, girl? She's like a little monkey. She loves to climb. That blended out good. Especially by the nose. And down your neck. You know? Okay. I think we're good. I have this braid in my hair my daughter did for me. I gotta take it out. I just like it. The French braid. Okay, now we're gonna go and do brows. This should be fun. So I'm going to take my brush, which is I don't know why it kind of rubbed off. Let me see if I can see what it says. It looks like a Sedona. Yeah. E something 17. It rubs off. But yeah, it's a Sedona lace. What are you doing? She's just climbing all over the place. Okay, and then I'm going to use my... Who is this by? Is this NYX? I don't know. Medium brown. Oh, it's Elf. It says it over here in the front. So it's an Elf and it's in medium brown. I should try that other one. Should I try that one? I don't know. The one that we just got. What the heck is it? Oh. This Bang Beauty one in chocolate. I know it's an eye, like, liner, right? But my daughter said she's going to use it for her brows. Wow, that's lighter than mine. This one's mine. As you can see, it's all banged up. I don't know if that would be good for me. I don't know. Yeah, I don't want to have to fight with the look. I'll try that another day when I'm not on camera. I'll just use this one. Yeah, I'm using books to stack my mirror up. So I could see. And the table is in my way. I can't stand that. So you're not going to be able to see what I'm doing because I got to adjust. Not that you can really see anyway, right? Let's see. The bottom line. So I go across the bottom first. I need to get my brows done. I need to get my nails done. The problem is, I don't even know where to go. I've been going to the same place in Long Island for like 10 years since I moved there. And now I gotta go somewhere new, and I'm just like not happy with that. It's like I don't even wanna get my nails done anymore. Because they're not doing it. It's just going to be so weird. I mean, I don't know, I guess doing my brows wouldn't be bad, or my feet, but my nails, I have a lot of issues with my nails, and they seem to be, they know how to, you know, I'm used to them. It's just sad. Like I'm out of my comfort zone with a lot of things. Like work is starting at the school I worked with. I worked at for, it'll be 11 years it would have been. And I'm not going because I'm not there, you know? There's my other cat. So like my routine and everything I'm used to for the past, you know, 10, 11 years is all screwed up now, and I'm just like, you know. Bean. That's Eugene. Psst. Hi, Eugene. Yeah, he's from Brooklyn. I've had him since, yeah, in Brooklyn. He was born in my basement. Look what I just did. Because I'm not wiping it like I should be. So, yeah. I don't know who's going to watch this video because it's going to be long. It's already, what, 15 minutes, and I'm only on brows. And there she goes again. I don't know where the mama cat went. She was just out here. It was cute, they were both sitting up there together. Which is shocking because I've never seen her do that because she's big compared to her baby girl. Yeah, so I'm just taking my time doing my thing. You could fast forward if you want. Brows never come out the same. Like, you know, it's very annoying. I feel like I fight with them forever. Like, this one's more angled and pointed than the other one. Like, ow. Like, I'm not liking this one at all. Yeah, this one's more straight. But that's just the way it is right now. Right, Bean? Psst, psst. Hi. Can you hear the rain? Yeah, whatever. Nobody knows me out here, right? Who gives a rat's butt? I'm telling you, I could sit here forever and mess with them. But I'm not gonna, because I don't care anymore. It's like, whatever. Whatever. And I'm going to use this banana setting powder by BP. Whatever. This came in boxy too. Use my Luxie brush. I love these. This stuff is very messy though. You know? It's this kind. Dumps all over the place. I tried to set a lot in my nose and the crease right here. So, you know, the foundation don't crack. I try to set it good. Plane to plane. What does that say? Is it 18 minutes? Yeah. Whatever. Whichever. Okay, now time for... Yeah, I'm not using that Laura Lee palette. I'm use the crown one. Which I've been using like crazy since I moved here. It's got a mirror. Those are the colors. It's very nice. So I'm going to use my Luxie brush, the dual-ended one. Yeah, I always wipe it off on my hand. My daughter uses a paper towel. You'd think I would do that, because then look what I do to myself. I got a mess out of myself. Alright, so I'm going to go in with, I don't know what. I guess maybe this second color right here. I'm just going to pop that in the crease here. It's going to be my transition shade. I haven't been wearing black eyeliner in my waterline for like ever, because I notice it ruins my makeup. It runs all down here and just messes up everything, so I don't even bother anymore. I can't find one that stays put. There's so many nice colors. Like, I like the sparkly ones. Maybe I'll just use that so you can see them. So I'm going to use this one on the end here. I'm going to put it on this side. It's like a bright, I don't know what, copper, deep, I don't know. But I like it. It's so weird doing my makeup out here like this. I mean, I did it in the other house in the yard sometimes, but I don't know. So we have deer back here and a bear. I put a garbage bag on the side of the house, and overnight a bear dragged it from that part of my house back into the yard over here. I thought it was the deer, and the neighbor told me, no, that's the bear. I was like, oh, nice, it's the bear. Lovely. We have turkeys running around. It's crazy. I'm not used to this. I'm from Brooklyn. It's cool though. You gotta get used to it. You gotta get used to it. And just blend it. Alrighty. Now on the end, you know, in my out of V here, I guess I'll put, I'm trying to cut maybe the one next to it, right here. Let's see if that deepens it up a bit. It might. Yeah. Not too shabby. If my neighbors are looking out the window, they're like, what is this chick doing? I'm gonna check my mailbox. I think I got Ipsy today. Yes, I know it's late. It got lost too. If I'm correct, they were sending another one. I don't know. Alright, now. Concealer. I love this age rewind stuff. Stupid glasses. Instant age rewind. And I don't know what. Maybelline. Concealer, eraser, dark circle. Blase blah. Light pale. Okay. Cookie things, they take forever. So sometimes I just start using it anyways, because it's like right there, see? crazy. Because sometimes a lot comes out. Like, I mean, like craziness. Try not to push too hard. See? It really brightens up your under eye, makes you look alive instead of, you know, tired. Here she comes again. Gotta watch though, because see the angle I did on this side is different from this side because of this, so now I gotta fix that. Okay. I think we're good now. Oh, and I don't set it no more either. You know, the underneath, I don't set it no more because then it cakes up and I don't like that. I just leave it alone and let it, you know, do what it wants to, and it's usually fine. Okay, now I'm going to go under my eyes with... Oh, wait, not that one yet. I don't want that one yet. I'm going to go with the lighter shade. I don't even want to see how many minutes this is. I'm just going to keep on going. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the darker one. This one. Right here on the edge. I always feel like I gotta look away. I don't know why. I look a wreck, huh? Alright, let's get the eyeliner over with. I don't even know what this is. Got this in Boxy 2, I believe. Or was it... Was this the one I got in Ipsy? I don't know. Art makeup? I don't know, but it's all worn off. I've been using it like crazy. I didn't even take the paper all the way off because it got stuck on me. Oh, there we go. This cat's crazy. And I'm liking it. I like the applicator. It's like really starting to pour. I don't know if you can hear that. I'll do like another house tour again when more stuff is done. We still didn't do the floors yet or the backsplash. We still gotta get knobs for the cabinets. Can't find any that we like. It's crazy. This eye always takes me longer because I can't see once I close my eye. This eye ain't that good. So it's hard for me to see what I'm doing. You know? I'm telling you, she's like a monkey. Mouse. Look at her. She climbs all over this thing. She loves it. They stay out here all night. Like, not all night. I let them in at night, you know. But they'll sit out here all day, all night. Dark out, everything. I put the light on, they just chill. I love it. Okay, let's see. I'm going to use the Balm Desert blush. Another Luxie angled brush. I was going to do bronzer, but I'm really not liking this bronzer. It came in boxy, and it's very... As soon as you put the brush down, no matter how light, whatever, it makes like a blotch of bronzer, and you got to like try to blend it out, and it doesn't blend out good. So it looks like you just, you know, I don't like it. It like ruins everything. No matter how light-handed I try to be with the bronzer. I have more, of course, but it's still all packed up. Mascara. Yeah, see, it's, where is it? I took it out because I was going to use it. This one. It's from Pure. And I tried to use, you know, the lighter one. And even though it's very, it's good, it's just that it doesn't blend out. It like looks patchy to me. It smells like chocolate. I don't know. And if I try it a little, you'll see what I mean. I'm gonna try this brush because it's got a point. This is a Sonia Kashak. Okay. Dab a little. I mean, like, let's see. I never used this brush for it, so I go very. See how it hits it? And then when you try to blend it out, it's like it doesn't want to move. You gotta be very careful with it. I'll try to blend it up. It just makes you look like you got punched. I don't know. Maybe it's me. Maybe it's just too dark for me. I don't know. You see how you could still kind of see the line? Even though I barely... I guess that's okay for now. Alright, enough for this crap. Look, it's 34 minutes. Sip coffee, mascara, and lipstick, and we're done. So I got this cargo one. It's so humid here. This rain is nice. Blowing off everything. I try not to put too much down here. Because I don't want it to transfer. You know what I'm saying? There we go. Now I just need lipstick. 36 minutes. That's not too bad. Usually I'm longer than that. So let's see. I bought this 0 for 1 we got in Boxy, which I like. This one is a Color Pop. I got as a gift from my son's girlfriend. She bought me like 2 6-packs. One's a glossy, one's a matte. Maybe I'll try this. I'll just use this Smashbox one that I just got. I don't know. Whatever, right? They're all kind of in the same family. Oh, it's getting a little nippy out. Oh, I forgot to do the under the brow. Yeah, see? I like this one much better than that other color they sent me. It's nice. Very nice. Goes on smooth. And I like it. What did I say? Oh. Under my brow. I'm not doing highlight because it's freaking no sun out. So what's the point? So I'm just going to go in with this one under my brow. Can't believe I forgot to do that. Okay, there we go. I made a huge mess and I don't care. So that is the look I did today with the crown palette we got last month in BoxyCharm. BoxyCharm is so worth getting, guys. $21 a month. You get palettes, you get lipsticks, everything is full size. You know, they give you masks, and instead of giving you 1, they give you 3. You know what I'm saying? It's like amazing. Amazing for $21. And now we're getting another palette I saw. I forgot the name of it, but it's the cutest thing. I can't wait to get it. Yeah, so... Wait, I think I have a picture of it on my phone. Don't mind me, I gotta bang my phone sometimes. Hey, my husband texted me. Okay, I gotta go in the gallery. Because I could have sworn I took a picture of it. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it off the phone because of the glare. Yep, there it is. Sneak peek. What's it called? Nightingale eyeshadow palette by Pretty Vulgar. So I don't know, can you see it? It looks like a freaking bird cage. Isn't that cute? So that's going to be in next month's box. You know, by Pretty Vulgar. It's the Nightingale palette. And then I saw another sneak peek, which was like 3 brushes, another trio. So that's cool. I love brushes. Send me them. Alright guys, so yeah, that's it. It's 41 minutes. I need to shut up right now. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if I get Ipsy tomorrow, today, or tomorrow, I'll do the video tomorrow, not today, if I get it today. And when, like I said, when we do more in the house, I'll do another like house tour so you can see. I hope you enjoyed my outside get ready with me in the rain. Was it relaxing? Yeah, so that's it guys. These are my look. And that's the yard. Goes all the way around. 2 porches on each side. Yep. And then it goes, see? All the way back that goes. All the way back. It's pretty cool. So yeah, there's deer back there, guys. And a bear. And a bear. Yeah. Alright guys, I'll see you in my next video. Hope you enjoyed this. Bye guys.